strength. West, southeast winds 45 to 65 knots with gusts up to 85 knots and extremely rough bay waters. Where? Laguna Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas. When? Tropical storm force winds possible until Sunday morning. Hurricane force winds possible from early this afternoon until this afternoon. Impacts. Extremely strong winds will cause hazardous seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Goners should remain in port, alter course, and or secure the vessel for extreme conditions. Hurricane warning.